We must decrease. Let us search and try our ways, and turn again to the Lord. Lamentations 3:40. Our modern philosophy of self-reliance and self-sufficiency has caused many to believe that we can make the grade without God. Religion, they argue, may be all right for certain emotional people, but you can't beat a man who believes in himself. But this self-confident generation has produced more alcoholics, more dope addicts, more criminals, more wars, more broken homes, more assaults, more embezzlements, more murders, and more suicides than any other generation that ever lived. It is time for all of us to take stock of our failures, blunders, and costly mistakes. It is about time that we are putting less confidence in ourselves and more trust and faith in God. Prayer for the day. As I examine my heart, I see so much of self there. I ask that you would forgive me, Lord. My confidence will be in your leading.